Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change up a navigation bar on your WordPress site. So currently I am on one of my blogs that I have. It's a really simple theme that I have. And so I've got a couple of different categories that I have for blog posts. You can see it kind of goes from family to kids, toddlers, babies, etc. I kind of want to flip this around, and let's say I want it to go from youngest in age, older in age, as far as the categories are within this navigation bar. So let's go ahead and go to the back end of my WordPress blog. Okay, so I'm currently on the homepage of the back end of my WordPress blog. I'm going to go over to Appearance and then go down to Menus. And I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see here, this menu right here matches the navigation bar that I have up here. So I'm going to let's go ahead and start moving stuff around to just change the age range of it. We can also nest stuff in here if we wanted, like this. We could just create it as a sub item to toddlers, could be a sub item, or kids could be a sub item of toddlers, etc. But I'm going to go ahead and move that back. It was just like a simple kind of drag over. Feel free to play around with this. I'm going to click Save Menu to keep this tutorial fairly quick. But now it has saved. Let's go ahead and go over back to this blog and refresh the page. And as you can see now, it has changed up the layout. So you can see it goes from babies to family, whereas before it was families to babies. Sure to give a like and subscribe.